Hey guys, Gamer16 here, and I'm bringing you a new video on how to essentially restore an old PC, or in this case one given to me by a friend who was moving away, to basically factory new. This one happens to be running on Windows XP, which is an important fact, so if your old computer does not run Windows XP, this tutorial is not for you. Other than that, let's get into the video. First step in this so-called process is to make sure you have the appropriate wiring. My PC still runs on VGA and runs on normal power cables, so in this case I'll be fine. My PC has an on-off switch on the back and an on-off switch on the front, so both need to be turned on at the same time. If this is the case for you, then all means do that. Mine happens to glow in the dark. Alright, I'm going to unplug my PC and I'm going to open it up to make sure it doesn't need any cleaning inside. You should do the same. Generally, big PC cases such as this one do have a side panel, and for me I need to unscrew it. Some PCs happen to have a latch that you can just take off, but those are usually the more proprietary ones. Check out your PC for more. Alright, taking a look at my PC, it looks extremely dusty. If yours happens to look like that, you should probably dust it off either with an air compressor. If yours happens to look like this, make sure to blow out all the dust and stuff. Help in keeping your computer cool and possibly run faster. Alright, for this test we're going to need a monitor. Once you get your PC booted up, make sure you have the appropriate passwords and everything to get into the actual computer, and make sure all the files and everything are okay to delete and everything with the previous owner. Alright, so first up we're going to go to the control panel in the start menu, and we're going to go to the user accounts. The second step is we require to make a new account. So we're going to make a new account. I'm going to name this one new owner so I can distinct the two accounts. Once you do name your account, you're going to hit next. For account type, you're going to pick Computer Administrator so you have full access to the PC once you're on the new profile. Alright, next is to actually log into that profile. So go ahead and log onto the old profile that you're going to delete, and we're going to log into the new one. Once this will start up, you're going to go to the left Start tab, you're going to go to Control Panel once again, and you are going to go to User Accounts. From here, we're going to go to Change Account, and we're going to click on the old owner account. Now what we're going to do is we're going to delete the account at the very bottom, and we're going to delete the account. Make sure you have all the files that you want to keep from the old account on a separate hard drive so you don't delete them. Other than that, we should be good to go. Alright, once you get that profile deleted, you should notice your PC should run a little bit more smoother considering you don't have two profiles on it. And now we're going to move into the third step. Alright, step number 3 is we're just going to remove files that you yourself don't want to keep on here. As for my PC, the previous owner had a lot of shortcuts on the desktop, so I'm just going to get rid of those. Alright, once I finish this up, we're going to bring up the list of programs I would like to keep. Alright, once I get this done, I'm going to go into Start, My Computer, Run or Delete Programs, and this will bring up a list of all the programs installed on my computer. Now, you yourself can decide what programs you want to keep or which ones you want to delete. As for me, I have a bunch to delete. As you're doing this, make sure you don't delete any important programs that are essential for your computer to run. Alright, once you make way with those programs that you don't want to keep, you're going to restart your computer so the uninstallation of all those programs is completed. Once you finish that, we're going to open a free program that's called CCleaner. Basically, we're going to hit Analyze once the program is loaded up, and once it analyzes all the programs or the junk that we don't need on a computer, we're going to hit Run Cleaner and it will get rid of all those excess programs. Link in the description for the program. And basically what we're doing here is we're just picking up the little bits and dusts that are left over from all the deleted files. Because deleted files do leave little bits here and there on your computer. So it's good to make way with those and get that free storage. Once you're done with that, that is the end of step 4. Alright, step 5 isn't really necessary, but it's a good way to make sure your PC is running as optimized as possible. You're going to go to Start, click Run, type in msconfig, which stands for msconfig, which will bring up your system configuration utility. Now, this should be set to normal setup as default when you make a new profile, but if it isn't, make sure you apply that and restart your system. This will ensure your PC is running at the optimized settings it should be. Alright, now that we're nearing the end of the video, I will leave you guys off with my final results, and hopefully this helped you as much as it helped me. Enjoy! Make love.